Hello there, creative minds.
Welcome back to Product Critique,
The channel that delves into the latest tech tools and gadgets. Today, we're taking a close look at the Shaper Trace tool, an ingenious solution that turns hand-drawn designs into accurate vector images. Stick around as we explore its features, functionality, and potential applications. Hey, fellow creators! Today, we're diving into the world of the Shaper Trace tool, a deceptively simple kit that offers a speedy and flexible way to transform your hand-drawn designs into precise vector images. Let's delve into its capabilities, components, and how it can elevate your design game. The Shaper Trace tool is all about stripping away the complexity from digital crafting. Its package includes a sturdy plastic frame adorned with white blobs around the edges. These aid in measuring and capturing your designs with pinpoint accuracy. Accompanying the frame is a standard black ink pen, a concise instruction booklet, and a colorful project booklet showcasing what can be achieved using the Trace frame and app. Behind the scenes, the Trace tool operates through a browser-based application. By scanning the QR code on the frame's reverse side, you gain access to this intuitive platform. The setup involves creating a Shaper account online, followed by QR code scanning, an initial step that might take a tad longer than expected. Using Trace is refreshingly straightforward. Begin by sketching out your design, whether it's a signature, illustration, or intricate pattern. Then, position the frame over your creation and launch the Trace app in your browser. Snap a photo using your smartphone, and voila! The app captures your design, converting it into a pristine SVG file. This new vector image can be saved to the Shaper Cloud, stored locally, or even imported directly into the Shaper Design Studio app for further editing. It's truly that simple. Trace delivers remarkable results with a black pen on white paper, ideal for accurate tracing. However, I tested it on darker paper as well, and the outcomes were still impressive. This means you can even convert sewing patterns into vectors with ease. Once you have your vector image, resizing it is a breeze, regardless of the frame's A4 size. One standout feature of Trace is its remarkable ease of use. You don't need to fuss over capturing angles. The app auto-adjusts and flattens any image. I snapped photos of the same illustration from various angles, and the results remained consistently accurate. As long as you're in a well-lit environment, Trace delivers flawless outcomes every time. Trace is a game-changer for capturing hand-drawn designs with precision. It captures both the outline and center line of your drawing, an essential aspect for accurate laser cutting or Cricut cutting. The accompanying Trace app boasts vital tools for refining your images. I particularly love the Smooth tool. It effortlessly evens out those naturally wobbly lines from freehand drawing. And if there are areas you want to exclude, no worries, you can easily select and delete them. Trace's accuracy and simplicity make it a versatile tool for various design, graphic design, and crafting projects. From handmade logos ready for engraving to tracing natural elements like leaves for homemade wallpaper via Cricut, the possibilities are boundless. Imagine tracing a 3D wood model, converting it into a vector image, and refining it in the Shaper Studio app for cutting or engraving. Creativity knows no limits. Now, here's the thing. Shaper Trace operates as a browser-based app, which might be less intuitive than a dedicated native app, especially on iPad. Shaper Studio offers a light version with essential tools, while the more advanced features are locked behind a subscription. As for Trace, it comes at a one-time payment of $79, granting access to the kit. While Shaper Studio can be used for free, investing in the paid version might provide a smoother experience. With Shaper Studio, you can import Trace images directly, rotate, clean, and duplicate them in seconds. Even a simple scribble can be transformed into intricate designs suitable for engraving on various materials. As Trace generates vector images of your hand-drawn designs, you can easily import these files into any SVG supporting software. Wrapping up, The Shaper Trace tool is a game-changer for creatives seeking precise vector images from their hand-drawn art. Its simplicity, accuracy, and potential applications make it a must-have for anyone in the design and crafting realm. And that's a wrap on today's exploration, fellow creators. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful tech reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off. Until next time, keep sketching and shaping your ideas.